Once again, I, Sunil Gaur, welcomes you all in the session 6 of inverse trigonometric functions. In this session, we are going to study about some particular methods or steps using which we can easily simplify the problems related to the inverse trigonometric functions. But we must know about certain things. First, we must have a knowledge about trigonometric identities. That means sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1 plus tan square theta equals to sec square theta, and 1 plus cot square theta equals to cosec square theta. And we must have a knowledge of trigonometric formulas which we have already studied in the class 11th. That means the formula of sin a plus b, sin a minus b, cos a plus b, cos a minus b, tan a plus b, tan a minus b, and blah blah blah. In first step, we should check in the question, is there any term of square root? If there is a term of square root having square root, then the following substitutions can be applied. If question involves the term of root of a square minus x square, then we apply x equals to a sin theta or x equals to a cos theta. In case of root of a square plus x square, we apply x equals to a tan theta or x equals to a cot theta. But if question involves the term of root a plus x upon a minus x, then in this case we apply x equals to a cos 2 theta. If we apply these substitutions in these cases, then the sign of square root will disappear and question can be solved easily. But what happen if the question do not involve the sign of square root? In that particular case, we apply the suitable substitution, because question must be in a form of any trigonometric formula or question having a term which may be in form of some particular trigonometric formula. Let us take an example. Suppose we have a question tan inverse 3x minus x cube upon 1 minus 3x square. This term do not contain the sign of square root, but if we observe this term, then this term is in form of 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta. That means this term can be easily converted into a formula of tan 3 theta if we apply x is equals to tan theta. This is the second method. If the question do not involve the sign of square root, we can check, is there any term which may be converted into some particular trigonometric formula using suitable substitution. But if question is not in the form of some particular trigonometric formula, then we use the third method. If above two method fails, then we shall use these three formulas, or using these three formulas we can easily solve the any particular problem of inverse trigonometric function. So we are going to solve one particular question. In this question we have to convert this term into simplest form. In this question, this term can be easily converted in form of tan 3 theta. If we suppose x is equals to tan theta, then this term will become 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta, and this is the formula of tan 3 theta. Using the property of inverse trigonometric function, tan inverse of tan 3 theta is equals to 3 theta, and the value of theta can be obtained using this relation. If x equals to tan theta, then theta is equal to tan inverse of x. Therefore, the simplest form of this question is 3 theta, or it may be written in form of 3 of tan inverse x. Thank you.